as you saw in the video with the cater tot, pulled the tires off the ground a little bit, but immediately broke traction and couldn't get traction the rest of the way down the track. So how'd that go for you?
Scary ride, man. You hit the gas and it goes up and you think something else is happening, because that's the first time it ever happened to me. So I had tires come off the ground at a track, and with doing that, now I know what it does, and now I know how to handle it. I think it happened 2 times in a row, so third time it just started spinning at the end of the track.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you made a call to QA1 and told them about your wheelie and your traction issues.
Yeah, I called QA1.
Well, they sent us some stuff already, huh?
I've been working with them for a while, and some stuff was on back order, and I got a hold of them this last couple days ago before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And after we got back from Florida, and I said, tires came off the ground, can we fix that? and so I talked to, she said, well, I'll get a hold of them, I'll get back with you Monday. So I was working on a truck yesterday, and UPS showed up, and this is what they brought. I haven't opened another one, but I opened one up just to...
You got a little bit excited and started pulling it open, but...
Yeah, I stopped. I was like, well, let's see what we got, and let you guys know what we got, because it's always fun to open boxes. It's like Christmas around here.
Yeah. So
we're going to open the first box up here, see what we got inside. And started opening it up. We got some QA1 stuff. It's all QA1 stuff, by the way. Let's see what we got.
It's looking like shocks or coilovers, one of the two.
Like shocks or coilovers.
Or
easy open. Ooh, look at that. So, what do we got?
Double adjustable.
Double adjustable QA1 front. And that's the rears.
Yeah, that's the rear
front.
shock, and then this one's got the threads on it to put the adjusters and springs on.
We got the front and rears.
Yep. Oh yeah, so that should be nice.
Got 2 more of those. We won't open those because we already know what's in there.
Yep.
And let's see. Got adjustable wrenches.
Yep, got spanner wrenches.
For that. Got here. Precision product.
Springs, looks like.
Front springs for the coilovers, for sure. Got 2 of those.
Yep.
For the front. Got a list. And let's see what's in this box.
Yeah, this one you really don't have no idea what's in it because you haven't been taking no peeks in that.
Yeah, that's a QA1 sticker. I've got to keep that for special.
Well, to see, maybe there's a banner or some stickers in there.
Banner stickers.
Yeah, so
put it on the wall. Some other banners that I got already.
Yeah, you got Durrell, BTR, current performance, DEI over there.
So,
all right.
Got some lowers.
Control arms. Yeah.
Control arms. So it looks like there's another lower. It looks like all we're waiting for now is
Yeah, I got some
shock plate.
Yep.
Hardware. Got 2 of the plates. So now it looks like all we're waiting for is the upper control arms. I think they said those were on back order. We did some QA1 stickers.
All right.
That adds takes about a foot off the height when you lift it off the ground.
That gives those stickers alone right there take off a 1/10 off your 60 foot at least. Just by sticking those right on the window.
We got 2 of
with
them,
the
so
rest
that's
of
2
them.
tenths, right?
Well, yeah. Well, I don't know. Is that how it works with that?
I don't know. I thought it was about the height.
I thought just yeah.
We already went 1.5 off the ground already once. That was scary enough.
That's what it looked like, at least. Yeah.
And so maybe to take off a foot. We'll see. But
Add a 10th.
we'll get this installed. We'll do a video on that installing it. But right now we're waiting for them to send the uppers. I knew a couple things were on back order, but they sent out what they had so far. Looks like we'll get the upper when we get the uppers in, and I'll get a hold of them coming week and see how long that's going to be, and then we'll get everything installed with this. And I'm still waiting for Wellwood Brakes to be sending me their brake kit too as well, and because I want to do a video with the install on both of them, since you're going to I already have it up in the air. So
yeah.
But
This should
I just want
definitely
to thank
be.
QA1 for sending me this stuff right away.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They do make a fantastic kit, and we kind of need something good for the mail truck to get it to handle right now. It just has stock suspension on it. The front's probably original from back in '91. The shocks are probably original from '91. The back ones, we actually, I took the factory shocks out of the back and I put some ZQ8 S10 rear ones to make them stiffen them up, just to get that healthiness out of it. So
the back, that was in the back.
yeah, because the
But
back
the front,
right now,
so the front's still original, basically.
yeah, the back has like I have a cast iron 1-inch block for lift or lowering it, and also has cow tracks up back for the suspension.
So yeah, the back didn't look too horrible, but the front is definitely super loose. As you can see in the race video against the Cater Tot, it instantly weight transfers and throws the front end up way too fast, and basically you don't want that to happen that quick.
So
you want some weight transfer, you want the front end to come up some and get some extension, but that's the thing with this QA1s, the double adjustable coilover, especially up front, you're able to control that speed as how fast that actually extends. So that'll definitely help with that a lot.
The funny thing is, with all this stuff, it helps out, but when it happened to me, when it took off, it kind of felt like the back tire broke loose and come up from underneath the back of the truck because the suspension loaded up.
Yeah.
But what it was is basically, watching the video, the front suspension dropped out and it just locked down, and you kind of like,
you probably felt the shock bottoming out. I
yes,
bet that's what the clunk probably was. I bet
it was. I have never felt that before, but that was my first instance. So this should keep it from the rebound with the double adjustable shocks from up and down, so it will hold the weight instead of instantly lift.
Yeah.
We'll get gradually lift.
Control that weight
We can
transfer.
adjust the. I mean, it is cool to do lift the front tires on. I mean, it looks cool, but it doesn't get you down the track. I mean, you see people out there right now, they're going down the whole track in 2 wheels. But the mail truck, that's a little scary.
Want to keep all 4 on the ground. Maybe pop like a little bit, but you know, keep it under control a little more. Well, it looks like if once you get that stickier tire on there and we're on a more better prep track and whatnot, it'd probably put it on the bumper if it didn't have suspension.
I'm gonna get the new Nitto tires on it, the Nitto tires.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there.
So yeah, oh, those look pretty freaking beefy, that's for sure.
I know, they're pretty heavy. Stronger than what's on the factory.
Oh yeah, I've got the, looks like the Delrin.
The Delrin shocks, brass bushings.
The bushings, yeah. Nice stuff, that's for sure.
It's a good kit. I mean, if you ever want to get a kit, call QA1. They'll hook you up with over there.
Yeah.
With what you need.
Yep, they'll definitely get you squared away.
I want to thank QA1 for sending me this stuff to help out with the LS Postal mail truck. It should help everything with the suspension, and I want you all to check them out. They can help you out with whatever you need for suspension.
Yeah, we'll throw a link in the description for a website and whatnot.
Yeah, check out below or high or left or right.
Wherever the link ends up, yeah. Yeah, go check them out, and yeah, I'm sure they make something for your car.
But yeah, this is awesome stuff. You guys,
it's definitely gonna help out a lot.
When it comes in the mail, you're like Christmas in July, you know. But
Christmas whatever
Christmas
month it comes.
3 weeks.
Yeah, it's Christmas all over again.
You want to send me some stuff for the mail truck? Let me know. So I just got some parts for the
next build.
Next build.
Hasn't been revealed yet at this time. We'll see what this tag says here. Oh.
Alky Digger. Thank you, Alky, for Digger, for sending me this right away.
one piece to the puzzle that is
Yes.
quite a large puzzle.
Yeah, don't reveal everything yet. So. First we get to the
Oh, I got some good stuff there. I already see.
good horsepower stickers.
I like what's underneath it though. Got something for the garage.
It's an alky digger there.
Yep.
Over here. And we got a little teaser. Huh? I think we got a little teaser there. Got a nice banner for the wall.
Yep.
We'll see that in the future.
That wall will be full here soon.
Yes.
It's already about halfway there as it is.
I know. Different projects, different things going on. What could be behind this big, huge? Oh, what do we have here? I wonder what.
Yeah, what could we be doing with that?
What could we be doing this?
Yeah.
That is
Well.
a beautiful thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Can you imagine?
Dude, that's
What could we put in this?
like, hold on, fist comparison. Literally no problem, fist.
Oh yeah.
How many millimeters are those? Do you know?
I think they're 5 and 9/16 each.
Oh,
Hole. So,
5 and 9/16 inch.
I mean, it's,
So whatever that is in millimeter, they're massive. They're
I mean, it's gonna go on. I mean, we could kind of show you what it is, but I'd have to kill you. No.
we'll know soon enough,
Watch
hopefully.
in the future.
Yeah.
We'll have everything shown.
This is unboxing number 1 of many
It's a
pieces.
3-piece deal. We have that's going to sit on, so you know that's going to sit on a 871 supercharger. Alky Digger is going to be sending me. I'm waiting. I had to order that, so wait for that to come in. And it's going on an LS. I am LS Postal, so I don't put anything else besides LS engines in these things. So
Yeah, the question is,
what's it going in?
yeah, we don't know that yet.
We'll just say this: the car would have came with an LS in it from the factory.
Alrighty. Whoops. Be better off using a chain for that.
I say, hook you up the roof.
Why use a chain when you just ram it? It'll get there eventually.
A little bit more or what? A little bit more. Jeez, parallel parking stuff. Oh, we're rubbing. Rubbing's racing, baby. Woo! How's that good to us? Are we in far enough? Hold on. Hey, we might want to straighten. What are we dragging on?
You lost another back.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Broke a big window. Damn. God.
Damn! We moved it over.
It's all the way over. Is it parallel? I don't.
I think it's good.
Did we get the front door?
No.
We're good.
Alright.
You got to make it through there. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Successfully moved it. Oh God. You're getting the hell out of the way. he going? He's just running into everything. Got hit harder than that. Got to get the part out Corvette out the damn way. So we get in there, free up some room for some projects. There's a car in there that's got to come out. Woo! This guy hasn't seen the light of day in a while.
Yeah, we're gonna take it out with salt.
Take it out what?
The salt.
Oh no, don't do that. Right as you are. The old Blazer going bye-bye for a little while. She's a little dusty. Got the Manuel winch.
One of the wheels are pulling.
Still straight.
I know, but one of the wheels is dragging the ramp in. Which one is it?
This one.
Step on the ramp.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's still going. It's still coming.
Huh?
Even with my weight on it, it's still coming with it.
Really?
Yeah.